Hi everyone, today's video is about map filter and arrow functions. We will cover it in within 10 minutes. So let's get deep dive into it. Are the helper functions and arrow functions are the sort of easier type. Let me explain. So until and unless we had written the functions like this, function add with these two arguments passing return a plus b will get this is all okay. But how we will change the format with arrow functions. The arrow functions are basically defined like const sum. Then we will pass the argument a comma b with with the arrow symbol and then closing brackets and return a plus b with the here over here there should be one equal to yeah this is this whole function and this arrow function and this function both those similar sort of thing, but they are totally different with the syntax. And functions are used in production and mainly it's are used in asynchronous types of applications. Now let's move towards the map function. So how let me give you one problem statement. Okay, so problem statement is given an array, give me back an array where the value is multiplied by 2. How we will make it? Like let me tell you what should be the input. The input should be this and input of 1, 2, 3, 4 in an array with the output should be like 2, 4. Multiply every single value is multiplied by 2. So how we will achieve it? Over here the picture come into the map function. So let's understand the syntax. Okay, let me show you the dumb way to solve this. That's how, but it is not a dumb way. It's basically the sort of normal way as if you are a fresher, it might be asked in a DSA round. So make sure you know that. So how we will make it? Let's say const input equal to an array of given integer. Then then output array should be empty. Then we will iterate it over a loop for input.len I plus plus, then output.push method into 2. Since we are multiplying the value, every value by 2, so then we will do console.log output. So this should be giving our expected output here. So let me make this this sort of line of code you should know even if you are a beginner or if you are experienced. You should be able to write this sort of code. Now let's write for with the help of map function. So for using the map function, we will implement a transformation function. Then we will make the part of map like array comma function or say input, and then we will implement this. So how we will do that? We will create the function transform with I as variable. Then we will return I into 2. Then what we will do is that input dot input dot map. Then we will pass transform over here and let's say this equal to const answer equal to this console.log answer. So this will also this is basically the cleaner way to write the code in map function using the map function. So over here what we did, we initialize the input. We already have the if we have the input, then we can use this simpler method as compared to the previous one. It's quite cleaner and industry based standard has been followed. So this is the whole map function functionality, how we will be using it. So make sure you keep a note of it. And one more thing you can do with this is that instead of writing here transform, you can just write the whole function instead of writing this transform over here and just answer. Yeah. So this will also give the same output as expected. And now if you want to make it with multiply by 3, 4, any number, it will work as per the requirements. Let's start with the indexing. So let's start it with the problem. If I tell you that given an input array gives me back the even number. Let's say const input array to this, then the output should be this. So how do we achieve this? So over here we will use filtering technique. Let's see the solution. This is basically the ugly solution, or say like a basic, without using the filter function, we will how we will manage it. So this is the expected output and this is the input we have got. So how we will do this? Here is the solution. We will do t array const output array equals to empty array. Then let's implement a for. Let I equal to 0, I is less than my I is less than input array, I plus plus, then implementing if input array mod equal to 0, then output array dot push input array of I. We'll do console dot log output array. This will give the even numbers from all the input array we have given. So we got the input even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now let's see how filtering we will use over here. So let's define one function filter logic. Logic we will take n as a variable. Then inside this function, what we will do, we will write if n mod 2 equal to 0, then return true, else return false. So this function basically filters the whole array. And now how we will proceed with, let's say, const output equal to input array dot filter. So basically over here we implemented the filter function. You can see how we will log console.log output, and this will give us the expected output. Yeah, that's all from our side. Hope you got liked the video. Do share and subscribe. Thank you so much.